Hello and welcome back to Pi M Squared. Today we'll be going over the number 23 problem of the 2019 Pi M Squared Sprint. What is the probability that a fly is found within a foot of the ceiling in a room shaped like a rectangular solid with a base of 10 feet by 7 feet and a height of 6 feet? Okay, so first we look at this problem, and this fly it could just be a random point. So this fly basically just means if a random point is selected, as the fly could be anywhere in the room. And this problem is just a really fancy way of asking what percent of the room is within 1 foot of the ceiling. Because in reality, if you pick a random space in this box, say this is the room, it has and this is 1 foot from the ceiling, it would have the same probability of being here as the percentage of this being of the whole thing. So in reality, you could draw this whole thing out, this whole room, and be like, oh, it's 10 feet by 7 feet by 6 feet. But we only want this part, which is 1 foot by 7 feet by 10 feet. So that's obviously just 70 over 10 times 7 times 5, 6. Oops. And then you'd be like, oh, it's 1/6. Well, which is the answer, but an easy way of doing this is it's within 1 foot of the ceiling. So in reality, the base doesn't matter as much or at all. It's actually the height that matters. So if you want 1 foot of the ceiling, it's just 1/6, as the remaining 5 is just part of the height. And your height is the whole thing. The base doesn't matter because it's just not related to the ceiling at all. So in this type of problem, all you have to do is recognize that this fly is just going to be in a random location in this room. And within a foot of the ceiling just means the percent of the room that is within 1 foot, as a randomly selected location has just as much probability of being there as that volume of that area. Okay, that's how you would solve this type of problem. Thank you for watching. Yeah, bye.